Welcome back. I'm Coach Tina, sharing 4 exercises that you can do at home to help your posture. In today's world, between texting and sitting at a computer, most of us are slouched over. In fact, a very well-known orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Vondra Wright, had commented on her Instagram that when people come into her office, the first thing she notices is that most people have this posture. So if you can do these 4 exercises regularly, we'll say at least twice a week, it will be extremely helpful. The first 2 are body weight, and we're going to start on the floor. The very first one is called a snow angel, and you're going to lie completely on the floor. Your arms will be overhead, your face flat against the floor, so your nose is going to be kind of smushed. Lift your arms, keep making a giant arc like you would in the snow if you were lying on your back. Turn your hands so the palms face up, back of the hands touch lower back, then you open it back around to overhead. Your goal is to not have your arms touch the ground as you go through these snow angels, and you're working your shoulder range of motion as well as the muscles in your upper back, which we normally don't work in everyday living, yet they're extremely important muscles for our posture. So that's the snow angel. I would do about 10 every time you do that workout, that exercise. The second exercise, also body weight, and if you happen to have a yoga ball, this would be ideal. So I'm going to press the lower part of my chest on the ball. My feet will be up against the wall for balance. It gives me stability with my feet. Hands are on the back of my head, pull the elbows back, lower yourself, and then lift as high as you can, squeezing your butt also. Lower, lift, lower, lift. When I lift, I feel all the muscles in my back activating. You want to make sure your elbows are pulled back as far as possible. So again, those, it's called back hyperextensions, also helpful for the muscles in your upper back. And the next 2 you'll be doing with dumbbells. So the first exercise is called a reverse fly. You'll have your dumbbells, you'll bend at the hips, keep the back long. So what I don't want is this. I want you to push your chest out so you have a long back from the top of your head to your tailbone. The arms are hanging. From here, I'm going to use my back muscles to help me lift the weight. So focus on those muscles between your shoulder blades and lifting the weight. Breathe out when you lift. Those are also working the muscles in your thoracic spine, your upper back, and will help strengthen them. And the last exercise is called a bent over row, also working your back muscles. Same position as the reverse fly, bending at the hips, soft bend in the knees, long straight back, and this time instead of lifting it this way, you're just going to pull the dumbbells up towards your side body, pulling it up, bringing it down, up, down. Keep your eyes about 3 feet ahead, up, down. Keep your arms close to your body, up and down. So those 4 exercises, the snow angels, the hyperextensions using the yoga ball, reverse fly, and the bent over row. Keep those in your arsenal to help your posture, and also mentally think when you're standing or on your phone to pull your shoulders down, have it as if there's a string pulling your head to the ceiling to improve your posture. I hope that's helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm Coach Tina. For more information about how to work with me, head to ironstrongfitness.com and send me a message. I'll see you next time.